Want to build an epic boss battle in Roblox? Here's how to set it up step by step in just 90 seconds. Step 1. Create the boss model. In Workspace, insert a model for your boss, add a humanoid and parts named head and torso. Group everything and name it a boss enemy. Step 2. Add basic script. Insert a script inside the boss model and paste this. Step 3. Add boss health and damage. Add a health bar GUI and script damage when the boss is touched or attacked. Step 4. Trigger rewards. When boss humanoid health hits 0, fire a remote event to give XP, coins, or open a door. That's how you set up a basic boss battle in your Roblox game. Add animations, sounds, and powers to level it up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.